Loumee shingna Chathok Marang Kaina amadi quality Leina Puthokpa Ngamnaba matam leiba khibikta Leibak-Leihao Phana thamnabagi wakhallon leigadabani haina Manipur lengake Horticulture amasung soil conservation ki Director K Devadutta na phongdorakli wafam asing asi Agricultural Technology Management Agency atma Imphal West District na silaga Lamphel Leiba State Mechanized Farm Complex sa Puthokpa Imphal West Agri Expo 2025 ki thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane Soil Health for Sustainable Agriculture haiba theme gi makhada Manipur lengake Principal Secretary Agriculture Arun Kumar Sinha yauna pangthokhiba thoram aduda Devadatta na hai Quality leiba Chathok Marang Kaina Puthokpa haibase Leibak-Leihao gi makha yamna pole madumakna pambi pumnamakki chakhau ase Leibak-Leihao na oiribani haibase pumnamakna yanaba wafamne Leibak-Leihao Phana thamge hairabadi patha pumthaba organic matter sing haibade compost natraga vermicompost sijinabagi tangai fadaba chauna lei masi tungkoiba mawongda agriculture gi thabak thoram sing mai pakna chathaba ngamgane loinana afaba makhal gi Chathok Marang Kaina puthokna Loumee singi sedmenon fagat hanbada so chauna mateng oigane aikhoi gi lamdam asi mahausana nong marang kaina chuba mafamne state asigi khwaidigi wangba mafamdagi khwaidigi nemna leiba mafam singda tongan ba agroclimate lei haiba agroclimate ki khudong chaba ase hai singna sijinnarabadi Loumee miyamgi thak hena wangkhalakane maramaduna asigumba khudong chaba asi launaba soil management ase thabakta onthokpagi tangai fadaba lei Manipurda hojik oriba tangdu leitadabagi phibam maraga seda Loumee miyamna chinjaki awatpa leitanaba agriculture gi thabak thoram seng angamba thakta pangthokliba ase thagataba ngamte haina so Devadatta na makhatana phongdokhi
Maruina Kogi Gihu Natragana, a Kogi Pau Soidan and Tagan, Loumee and a Lointo Tabak. However, Loumee and a Lointo River Tabak said, a Kogi di Kamaitowi Agriculture Department na, Prabha Laga, Hangam Gumba, Hawaii Gumba, Aduga Kadugumba, Kogi, Pedi Gumba, Pongumba Matang stage that Taki Tambiramani, Horticulture Yamanamulaga, Horticulture Yamutambini, Fisheries Yamulaga, Fisheries Yamutambini, facilities benefit Logai Matamda to different departments, to different agencies, to different extension worker, Natraga extension officers in the officials in the Satwam Matokta. Masipuna of the government of India, Kalo Matunga, Agriculture, Atma Hariba agency, Nagadi. Highly was the Yauri see major agricultural activities by Kaliva program by Kaliva department Purimokse, Punna Yaurina, Highliva Atma Hayuse, Masina, Loina Subjan.
Thauramadu Chief Guest oina saruk yakiba Principal Secretary Agriculture Arun Kumar Sinha na hai ngasigi expo se da puthokliba polam sing asi ubada Loumee singna akan mamongda sunomli haibido mayek sengna khamba ngami masina agriculture amasung horticulture gi pothok ningthina puthokna bokhanabada ajoba thodang lawriba mari leinaba department sing gi hona zaman lemna mangre department sing asina honariba pumna mak Loumee miyamna thabak to onthoktrabade madugi kana balairoi Center amasung state government ki miteng makhada Chathok yamna leigadaba ahenba marung marang sing launaba khonari haina Arun Kumar Sinha na makhata ke Agri Expo da Imphal West District ki tongan ba mafamdagi lakpa group singi stall kontra hen hangke loinana tongan ba category ani haibade Seed Money Group Award amasung Food Security Group Award so Farmers Group taramathoy da ngasigi mithunglen singna lanthoke
Like in Manipur, we are growing mostly, I'll say, one crop because of irrigation, unavailability of irrigation facility. Now that's where the expertise of the technical team is required, where can we do something with our treatment of the soil that we really grow many more, product, multi-cropping, can we really start? Because that's what, it will really create lots of employment among the youth, and it has potential. If you put agriculture, horticulture, and this veterinary, fishery, poultry all put together, it really has potential to create lots of jobs and lots of income for the farmers. So I urge upon all of you, my department including, that let's, and the farmers together, let's put in our mind and heart together that we really improve the income of the farmers and their livelihood.